I was born in Kasama, Zambia. I moved to the UK in 2003. I lived first in London. What brought me to Oxford is through marriage. I met my wife in Oxford. I have 3 children, and of course, I am the City Councillor for Quarry and Rising East. So when I came to England, everything was kind of new. But of course, I knew what I wanted: integrity, leadership, and determination. This all ties up in with the Black History Month because I've got a lot of role models. To me, Black History Month means time taken off to reflect what other people before us have fought for, the chance that they have given to me in terms of hope and what I can achieve. My favorite role model, Nelson Mandela, what he has achieved, not only in South Africa, but around the world. It was also time to, for me personally, to show integrity, leadership, and determination. As a city councillor, I meet a lot of residents, and it's that determination from Nelson Mandela that has made me, first of all, to stand and able to listen, because I believe that I can also change lives of other people. Definitely, we still need the Black History Month to encourage young Black and minority groups. If children can be taught about the importance of multiculture, then they can grow up knowing and coexisting with other people. I've had great experience living in Oxford. Actually, Oxford is a very good community. We should continue doing what we do best in terms of supporting and sponsoring events. So I've had a good experience, not only as a councillor as well, but also working in Oxford.